Something special just landed at your doorstep. The Holiday Bundle gives you the glow, the tools, and the ease you deserve. Lights, laughter, and lasting memories. That's what we're delivering this holiday. Inside this Holiday Bundle, you'll find everything you need to turn your home into a glowing wonderland. First, our vintage-style outdoor dimmable string lights. Commercial-grade, warm glow, dimmable so you can set the perfect ambiance. Then the 60-foot clear mounting channel pack. Flexible, sturdy, and invisible in daylight. Makes installation clean and seamless. And the star of many setups, the 50-foot warm white dimmable LED rope light. Bend it, cut it, shape it. Your holiday creativity has no limits. These three work in harmony. Frame your porch with string lights, outline windows and railings with rope light, and use the channels to mount it all with precision. No tangled wires, no guesswork. Just plug in, mount, and let your space glow. Make this season magical.